Hello, my friend. Welcome back for speaking English for every single day with me, someone who passionate about storytelling. And I will be discuss about teaching student. And my friend, my coworker, was helping me out from the home base to the school. Right, today I also will be show you. I will be I will be with many scene, many video as documentation while I was teaching student, while I was driving the motorbike, while I was hang with my coworkers from home base to the school. So there will be a lot of scene and video right on this video, guys. Yeah, and so so I will be with the starting point. So I haven't I haven't had a motorbike, so I I used to go with my coworker that they had a motorbike, so I am as a passenger and they are the the driver. And here I was seeing the beautiful of the place, the beautiful when we were driving the motorbike together. Yeah, and see she was driving the motorbike and I was a passenger. And while in the drive, I took a scene to many kind of stuff when that we have passed. And I also feel myself when in the motorbike. Yeah, so I was using helm. I was using helm and a mask and eyeglasses as well. And those stuff are really helping me so lots, because those avoid me from stray suns bright, and the very important, my skin, my face doesn't get burned after I wear all this stuff. And let's see, in this one I will be with, after we arrive at the school, we were so very tired. Yeah, after long of journey. And but I didn't forget to take myself on a camera, and I go with camera with myself. I film myself. I say something in the front of camera as I enjoy the trip. And I also would prepare myself for unpredictable questions from all students. And in here I was really serious with my face because I had a nervous when I had a nervous. I really had a nervous when the teaching class would start already, and then I prepare myself so good. And here I start to set up all the stuff we was needed on teaching student, including to the laptop material, and then in focus as well, everything. So those stuff are needed to be very fair before the class go start. And then I with my friends we're working together, set up the thing that we would like to have. But sometimes unpredictable situation, unpredictable issue could be something that we deal with. So especially right on that time, the internet connections had an issue. So it means it took a moment for me to deal with that issue, and I graduated as well. I had a friend helping me out from that issue to be well results. So the issue in a nutshell was resolved by us. And in here, this is the part of amazing or very nice, that I start to give material to the student. I start to give the material to the student about coding, coding, programming as well. But this coding is for student or elementary school, very basic coding. So understanding about the simple logic, how coding is, and so those are we teaching to the student. I prepare myself. I act as a professional teacher that I have to be, and then the student were coming with a lot of curious questions that stray over me, and I really happy with those questions because I appreciate their effort. I appreciate that they follow the class, they follow the material, and I really appreciate, I really happy at that moment. And then sometimes the unpredictable situations could be happen in that moment. I think this happened not only in my position but also in the field, or in engineering, or in the office worker. Sometimes could be dealing with us, and I came with a lot of experience on this field, and of course I already prepare all the unpredictable question from the student or unfamiliar question for me, because I handle all the material. I know all the material, so that's why it's not really matter for me for many questions. And as of far, I really appreciate myself because I done with all the issue, I done with all the question for the students. Well, and I think that's this story of me. And thank you guys.